everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. In this video you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. I always try to bring some new and unique ideas. You can take the screenshot of the picture or you can also save this video. All ideas are very amazing. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members.